Dear students, I think you are quite well. Today we are going to read the new chapter Taro's Reward. This is lesson 3 in your main textbook that is called Honeysuckle. Taro's Reward. This story is about a laborious young woodcutter. That young woodcutter is very obedient to his parents. He is very dear to his parents. He is very lovely to his parents because he obeys his parents. He works hard to fulfill his parents' wishes. Whatever the parents need, he is always ready to fulfill their desires. Whatever they need, that young woodcutter is always ready to give them those things. And by this help, lastly, he gets unexpected help. This is a story about a thoughtful and loving son. He works hard to fulfill his parents' wishes and gets some unexpected help. Suddenly, he gets help that was not expected. It means he got help much that he also had not thought about. Now we begin paragraph 1. A young woodcutter named Taro lived with his mother and father on a lonely hillside. There was a young cutter. The young cutter was not old, he was young. His name was Taro, and he lived with his parents. He lived with his mother and father on a lonely hillside. Lonely hillside in the region of mountain, and his house was situated in a lonely place. All day long he chopped wood in the forest. All day long. On the whole day he labored hard. He cut the woods. Chop means to cut into pieces. Chop means to cut into pieces. On the whole day, he chopped wood in the forest. Though he worked very hard. Though. Some students make a pronunciation, wrong pronunciation of this word. Some students read Though. Though. That is wrong. Though. Though. Right pronunciation of this word is though. He worked hard. He worked very hard. He earned very little money. He worked very hard. He was very laborious, but he did not get much money. He did not get more money. So he earned very little money. This made him sad. For he was a thoughtful son and wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. He had a little money. However, he labored hard, but he could not get proper money to buy costly things, as he always liked to buy things, to buy eatable things or some things for his parents, but he had not enough money because he earned a little money, wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. One evening, when Taru and his parents were sitting in a corner of their hut, one day, it was evening time, when Taru and his parents were sitting in a corner of their hut. A strong wind began to blow it. Suddenly, it began to blow a strong wind. A storm. It whistled through the cracks of the hut. Their house was not a pakka house. It was hut. Hut means jhopadi. In Hindi, you can know. And there were cracks in the hut. Cracks means opening, some openings in the hut, and when it began to blow hard, the whistle of the air they could hear, and everyone felt very cold because it was blowing very hard, so they felt very cold. Suddenly Taru's father said, अचानक तारू के पिता ने कहा, I wish I had a cup of shake. I wish I had a cup of shake. काश मुझे शाके ऐसे के ही शाके ए काइंड ऑफ लिक्विड, एक प्रकार का तरल पदार्थ, पेय पदार्थ, दैट इज कॉस्टली. I wish I had a cup of tea. It would warm me and do my old heart good. And when I get a cup of sake, it would warm me. I would feel better after drinking sake, the old man said to his son. The old man said to his son, it is my great desire, it is my great wish to drink sake and my old heart good. This made Taru sadder than ever. This made Taru sadder than ever, for the heart-warming drink called sake was very expensive. Now Taru became very sad when he heard the words of his father, because his father felt very cold. He wanted to drink sake, and his son Taru thought that he had not enough money to buy sake. How do I earn money? How do I earn more money? Heart-warming drink called sake was very expensive. Sake was not cheap. It was costly. Expensive means costly. How do I earn more money? He asked himself. How do I get a little sake for my poor old father? Now he became very sad. He became sadder than before. How can I earn more money? He decided to work harder than before. At that time he thought that he would work hard than before. Okay, now today I stop here. Thank you.